Now we learn to subtracting like fraction. Here four part is colored 4 by 7 and 2 part is colored 2 by 7. Subtract 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. Find 4 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is equal to what? How to find? Formula for like fractions is equal to difference of numerator and by common denominator. Here numerator are 4 and 2, so difference of numerator is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here common denominator are 7. Here 4 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. Answer. Find 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to what? Here numerator are 2 and 1. So difference of numerator are 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here common denominator are 5. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 5. Answer. हम लोग जानते हैं कि जब डिनोमिनेटर एक समान होता है तो वैसे फ्रैक्शन को लाइक फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं। जब डिनोमिनेटर अलग अलग होता है वैसे फ्रैक्शन को अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं। फाइंड 20 by 51 minus 16 by 51 is equal to what? We know difference of like fractions is equal to difference of numerator by common denominator. So here the numerator are 21 and 16, 21 minus 16 by 5 and common denominator are 51. Here 21 minus 16 is equal to 51 is equal to 5 by 51. Answer. Unlike fractions, subtraction. About when you get fraction with different denominators like this. जब अलग अलग डिनोमिनेटर के फ्रैक्शन मिलते हैं तो उनको अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं। जैसे 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. First we solving process. First we find lowest common multiple LCM. Here LCM is equal to 8. Process is 2 divided by 8 and 4. 2, 2, 2, 1 is equal to 8. Next we divided LCM by first fraction denominator and multiply by numerator. So here 3 by 8 divided by 8, 3 by 8 is equal to 8 divided by LCM 8 divided by 8 and multiply by 3 by 8 is equal to 1 multiply 3 by 8. 3 by 8 and second fraction denominator and denominator multiply by numerator. 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8 is equal to 8 divided by 4 multiply 1 and 2 multiply 1 is equal to 8. 2 by 8. So here the subtracting 3 by 8 minus 2 by 8 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Answer. Always remember. Let's continue. Always remember. First check denominator. If denominator are both are different, they are unlike fraction. Here 5 by 6 minus 1 by 9. Both are different. So we find LCM of denominator. LCM is equal to 18. 18 divided by 6 multiply 5 first fraction में and get 3 multiply 5 by 18 and 15 by 18 And second fraction, 18 divided by 9, multiply 1 by 18, and 2 multiply 1 by 18, 2 by 18. Here subtracting 15 by 18 minus 2 by 18 is equal to 15 minus 2 is equal to 13 by 18. Main points of this video: need a common denominator, put common denominator and subtract numerator, reduce if possible for final answer. सबसे पहले कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर चाहिए। दूसरा पॉइंट है कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर को इसमें बीच में रखना है। तीसरा पॉइंट है सब्ट्रैक्ट नोमिनेटर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है और रिड्यूस फाइनल आंसर। दिस वीडियो इफ इट हेल्प you, please help me by clicking like.